All right, safe. Okay, Matt, when I tell you to close it, do it in one fluid movement, all right? Good luck.
Cheers.
Safe. It's good. We're locked.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Easy. Easy. If we damage the sun cage in any way, we might lose the anomaly.
Okay, got it. Yep.
Look, no offense, but do you really think this is going to work?
Well, we've got 3 options. 1, we merge this with Philip's anomaly. It makes the big one unstable, it closes, and the plan's worked.
2, nothing happens and it doesn't change a thing, right?
Right.
So far, I prefer option 1. What's option 3?
It makes the big one even more powerful, and it accelerates the whole apocalyptic end of the world type thing. Basically not good.
Right, let's find out.
Ready?
Yeah.